The technology is crazy. I don't know how they did it. Hey, I'm Sean Miller, Central Production Director for Rolling Hills Community Church in Middle Tennessee. Currently standing in our main auditorium at our Franklin campus. It seats 1,000 people. It is a converted warehouse. It's got concrete floors, steel ceiling, and very poor acoustic treatment. We are a multi-campus church, and being in the Nashville area, the production level gets valued pretty high. We recently got to demo a pair of Shure DCA901 broadcast array microphones. The broadcast array microphone is Shure's new answer to immersive and audio for the audience. It is 78 elements in this single piece that creates 8 zones of microphones that you can point around your room and over your audience. So it is Dante native. It's literally the only connector on it is the Dante port. So you plug it into your Dante network, and it shows up with 11 channels. So it's the 8 lobes and then some submixing down from there. We worked with Shure on placement of it. As you can see behind me, our room is full of air sock ducts. And so trying to find the place in the room. So these actually hung on the back side of the front air duct. And it was like, man, that's gonna pick up a lot of air. It didn't. Primary purpose for the broadcast array, it was for our Livestream, which is one of our largest campuses for Rolling Hills. So getting that ability over the congregation to hear them sing, respond, just brings the online campus to life.
There's freedom in your name. There's salvation in your name. It makes me cry holy. Sing it out, church. Jesus. Jesus be the name. Jesus be the name. Jesus be the name. It's all the glory.
So it feels more like you're participating, you're in a room, you're not listening to a studio recording. It feels more engaging because you have the congregation, you hear the congregation laugh at the pastor's joke, you get to hear them sing when, previously to this, if the worship team went into a bridge and wanted the congregation to sing and they're off mic, the online stream goes kind of dead. I mean, we kind of picked it up with our shotgun mics, but especially at an earlier service where the attendance is lower, the online campus is getting nothing from the congregation feel. And so it gives you that feel that you're there, you're being a part of it, you're getting to hear that more, and it's not just a canned studio recording. But the actual setup, once we got it in the ceiling, the coolest feature, and one of the guys at Shure told me this, was get a air horn app on my phone, and you go around the room and you put it into auto find and you go, and it finds you in the room, and that's where that lobe goes. And so you just walk around the room and kind of map your room with the software and a free air horn app. It was honestly a lot of fun. But what it did and how it transformed our online mix, we have gotten so many compliments over the last couple of weeks of how, the people don't even know why. They're just like, man, online is amazing right now, blah, blah, blah. They'll just give us those compliments. And that's the only thing we've changed. One of the things we had not gotten to play with just because we don't use it often, but we had a lot of discussion about the ability to use these as choir mics. So I think there is an application for that. We don't have a regular choir, so it didn't fall within when to use it, but we had numerous discussions with my audio team about, oh, that is a real use case for these. The technology is crazy. I don't know how they did it, but the ability to have that steerability and go, oh, we want to move our mics to where the crowd is. Before, we'd have to physically move the mics. Now we have software that does that. It's amazing.